Hello, Ring Rovers again. We enjoyed doing that haul video the other day so much, we decided to do another.
Yay!
If it's an order, I think it is, because obviously you might have gathered we made a few orders. It's gone from
£36 you said.
£36, but we only paid £8 for it. So let's see what you got when the 75% discount was on from Amazon haul. Let's have a look. Is Amazon the new Temu?
Well, is it? At the moment, I think, like as of today, as of filming today, there's still a 50% discount on, so get there quick and get your discounts.
And I have it on good authority. The bras are very good, like M&S.
And I've ordered,
identical. So
I've put an order in. I have ordered 3 bras and a dressing gown. I won't be showing those. They haven't arrived yet anyway. But if they are decent and we do another haul, I'll mention the quality. And I'll put some links up, but I won't obviously be showing my underwear.
no.
No.
Well, let's have a look. We're not sure what's in it because, as I say, we've got a few orders. But if it's all I think it is, it's that. Oh, right. So, the first thing. I know what it is.
3 pairs. Are these those self-tying laces?
No, these are just normal laces.
Just
I can
normal
tie my laces, you know.
Can you?
Yeah, 3 pairs of laces. I've already had some laces off them, and they're really good. Apart from I've got boot ones, and they're a little bit long.
Nothing worse than long laces.
This is a present for someone who knows a couple of presents in here, and it's one of those things at the stand when you've got a wet floor. What part of, and it's got loads of mathsy stuff there that we don't understand. Don't you understand? It's like a little wet floor sign.
Nice little.
Every household made one.
Nice little, teacher gifts. That sort
Yeah.
of thing at the end of the year.
And another teacher gift. I don't even remember ordering this for them. Bro, the sickest flex is bringing all your materials to class for real. A little perspex sign. Again, teacher presents, you'd probably pay 4 or 5 quid and some tax shop for that.
Probably.
So that's half the order. Oh.
Ooh.
Oh, yes. Some key rings and numbered discs. Now, I have ordered some of these numbered discs earlier because they're really good. They're quite a thick perspex, quite solid. So many uses. If you've got like a number of things that you want keys for and you want to know which one's which.
If you want
Number
a
your
cafe
keys.
or something,
Yeah.
great for little table numbers.
Caravan sites.
Yeah.
Invaluable for caravan sites.
If you're a landlord and you rent out houses and you want to keep your spare keys.
Yeah. Loads of uses. You'd probably pay, I think, how many is it? 30 there. You'd probably pay £1 or £2 for 30 of the keyring loops. Never mind the plastic discs. And again, the full order was
£8.
£8. There's £2 there. Another present.
Ooh.
What's it say? Do maths, not magic. Perspex Apple.
Oh no, it's the right way, yeah.
Just in case. Perspex Apple. Good, shouldn't it? 'Cause I thought it was confused me about cameras because that's what they're saying, but reverse it. So that's really good. But then, wow, strange. That'd be a tenner and some catalogue.
Yeah. It's quite thick as well.
Yeah. Not that that tells you anything.
No.
About 2 centimetres.
Yeah.
Yeah. Half an inch. Yeah. Oh, I bought these. Little things that you could do for like a restaurant. Idea for a restaurant or bar. It's like a little chalkboard that stands up. So you've got like your things to make it stand up. And so you could write a little message at weddings.
I was just about to say wedding place names or like those, what do they do nowadays? Gender reveals.
Yeah, all of that sort of thing.
Yeah. Guess what the baby
Basically,
is.
any gathering of people sitting at a place, these are perfect. I can't believe how good these are. And they are the plywood, really quite substantial. I just don't have any chalk.
Sure, we can get another folder one.
One of them chalk pens.
Oh, I've got one of those.
Have you? You have? Off your
Well, I
notice
used
board?
to do. I don't know if I still
How
do.
many say? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm so pleased with
8
them.
chalkboards.
I can't even remember ordering them. That's why it's so much fun. Every day is like Christmas.
It is. It is. Just expensive. Well, no, wait, Christmas is expensive. Oh.
Another pack of those discs with K-rings. I wish I'd just bought loads of them. Loads of them.
You
when the
did?
reduction was in.
You did?
I did. Well, I bought these as well.
Oh my goodness.
Red discs with numbers on. You can never have too many plastic discs with numbers. And you can't bend them. They're quite solid discs.
Do you know when
Highly
you
recommended.
get door numbers on hotels and they're sort of drilled in, that's basically essentially that sort of thing, but it's plastic and not like brass or whatever.
0 to 50. Ideal for a hotel with 50 rooms. 51 rooms, you'll struggle.
Well, you could improvise, I suppose.
Big Tipex.
Yeah.
Yeah. Or you could just have one without one on and you
Just
know
turn
that's
the numbers
zero.
upside down.
Yeah.
Who knows what you might end up with.
Again, very handy. Rubber gloves.
Oh,
A box of rubber gloves, if you bought these, yeah. In the UK, that is the cost of the order. That will cost you about £78. Easy. An extra large for the larger hand.
And I'm allergic to latex. These
So-
are latex free.
Yeah.
She can't get in the box.
No, she's making
She's
an
struggling.
utter mess.
She is. Look at that. I've just destroyed the box.
And I do like to do things neat.
He does.
Okay.
It's not very perforated. I'm going to do a little quick review. The box isn't very perforated, so it's hard to get.
Oh, they're sealed as well,
Sealed.
hermetically sealed.
For her pleasure. Glove me.
Extra large, remember?
Hang on a
Oh,
second.
they are.
Shall we do the slap test?
No.
Are you ready?
Ow.
Oh, that is good.
How large are they?
Extra large.
Wow. They're massive. Let's try them. Because sometimes when I use the smaller ones, the medium ones, the smash wood, I still have loads of room to move and everything. And they're actually quite loose still.
A loose glove.
Idea for those messy jumps around the house. Right, turn that light on. Right, and I think, a
Ooh.
load of sticky numbers.
More numbers.
No numbers.
Did you just search numbers and then bye?
Ideal for your wheelie bin,
Your bin, yeah.
your front door, your back door,
If you've got
caravan.
a
If you have a caravan site, just hit us up in the comments below and we'll come and review it. Just
We will actually, yeah,
Yeah.
that would be great, yeah.
preferably with the dogs
And the numbers.
and the numbers. Yeah, we'll give you a free number for the dog.
Yeah, we'll bring them along.
Yeah. Right, and the rest of the things, I think. Numbers.
More numbers.
You would pay again easily a £5 in there. I can't say how many it is, but it's a lot of numbers. This is probably after
1
this.
to 9.
This is my favourite order so far.
Is it?
Yeah, it really is. And then I just bought a load of cards because I bought some cards earlier, and they were
Gift, like
birthday cards, and they were really
Greetings
good.
cards.
And so I bought some more. Although I have heard reports of people getting them with spelling and grammar errors on, so they're worth checking first. That's got numbers on.
You only bought this because of the numbers.
Oh, but what are the numbers? Oh no, they're to stick on. It's happy birthday and stick your numbers on.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Fancy that.
Look at the front show them the card. It's
Just
lovely.
reminding people how old they are.
Yeah. So you can stick your numbers on to your cards. That's really good.
Really, really good.
That's a bit boring. Oh, but look, you get a golden happy birthday sticker to seal the envelope down with. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Oh, we'll get copyrighted for that.
Oh, yeah, that was naughty, wasn't it?
No, wasn't it?
Naughty.
This has come back. I've bought a couple of this exact same design before, but I didn't get the little gold thing to stick the envelopes through. So I thought that was a nice thing. It's like a cat with its paw through the letterbox.
Wow.
And that's got a little gold thing. The cards really are good value on there.
Yeah.
Although these envelopes, oh no, they're like envelopes are sort of plastic. There's a gold thing. There. So 2 of those. And, well, that card's good, isn't it? You can't see what it is.
It says Nchegedy.
Yeah. I think
Perhaps it's Welsh.
they've packed it in backwards. I dare say it's probably another one of the cats. Say if the model number's the same. Oh, well, you can't tell, can you? Well, let's be honest. Let's have a look.
Ooh.
See? You didn't know if you'd get all this extra suspense, did you, when you started watching?
Oh dear.
Stuck the...
Oh
You've
dear.
got a hole in the back. Oh, no. See if you can get it. Oh, you
Quite
pulled it all
easily.
out.
What, did you not want it all? out?
Oh,
Oh.
happy birthday to you!
And on the back, chuggedy.
See if you can get that back in the envelope, please. I'll hold the glue
I'll
down.
never get that back in the envelope. The things he makes me do.
So,
We'll do this later. Nobody wants to watch me doing this.
So, all in all, I think that's
Isn't it now?
the best order yet.
Is that everything?
What do you mean? Is that everything we've got? 1, 2, 3,
I was just getting
Four.
into that.
5 cards.
Yes.
Gloves are 6.
2 sets of numbers.
That's
That's 8.
8.
More numbers 9.
9.
Funny little maths thing
10.
10. More numbers 11.
11.
Funny little thing
12.
Funny little thing.
13.
Chalkboards.
14.
More numbers.
15.
Can't remember. Shoelaces.
16. 50p an item. 50p.
Fancy.
You can't even buy something
Well-
for 60p for that.
You can't. No.
No. Well,
That's it.
that's it. Just thought we'd share our latest Amazon haul.
Amazon haul.